Hello dear little cute learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter with a new concept. So today we have chapter number 2, which is large numbers. So today we are going to learn about the large numbers. So number 10,000, this is our large number. We know that smallest one digit number 1 is 1 and greatest one digit number is 9. Smallest two-digit number is 10 and greatest is 99. Smallest three-digit number is 100 and greatest is 999. And smallest four-digit number is 1000 and greatest is 4 times 9. The smallest four-digit number is 1000 and the greatest four-digit number is 9099. So 9999. The successor of 9999 is 10,000. The successor of a number is one more than the number and predecessor of a number is one less than the number. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. It has 5 places: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this is our 10,000. 999, 4 times 9 is the predecessor of 10,000. Now, numbers beyond 10,000. Each number beyond 10,000 is obtained by adding 1 to the number. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, and when we add 1, so we can continue our counting. 10,001, 10,001, 10,005, 10,009. So in similar way, we have our numbers. For example, 60,000, 69,000, 70,000, 80,000, 99,000. 5 times 9 is the greatest 5-digit number. The number 1 more than 5 times 9 is 1 lakh. 1 lakh, this is the smallest 6-digit number we have, and we read it as 1 lakh. 6 times 9 is the largest 6-digit number, and we read 6 times 9 as 9,99,999. So now our place value is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So I hope so students you understood this, how we proceed further in our place value. Now 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. We have learned that 10,000 is the smallest 6-digit number and 6 times 9 is the largest 6-digit number. The successor of 6 times 9 plus 1 is 10 lakh and 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. 7 times 9 is the largest 7-digit number, and when we can write our numbers further, 11 lakh. So how can we write 11 lakh? First we write 11. In 11 lakh, we have total 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever you want to write lakh, so how many zeros you have to add in your numbers? After 5 numbers you have to add. After we have, how many times 9 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we add one more, if we take it, 7 times 9 successor is 1 crore. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 36 lakh, 7 crore, 9 lakh, 45,000 and 296. So this is the way in that we have to read our numbers. 8 times 9 is the largest 8-digit number we have. So now we move forward to our place value, in which ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then we have crore. So I hope so students, now you understood the total place value we have. Now large numbers on abacus. So we have to arrange our sticks on the place value like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So now we have one ball in lakh. So it means 1 lakh. Then 3,000. So 3,000 means 3, 10,000 means 30. Then 1, 2, 3, 5. So 35,000. 200, 200, 70, 4. So this is the number we have. After this, 60,59,273. So you can read your abacus like this only. Now you have your exercise 2A. Write the numeral for each of the following. So we have 82,963. So first we write 82. So in 82,000, how many zeros we have? 3. So 963. So this is your answer, 82,963. Next we have 7,61,048. So first we write 7 lakh. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this we have 61,000. So 61,000. 48. 61,048. So this is our answer. Always keep in your mind that when you have to write your words into numerals, so first write 7 lakh. So how many zeros we have in lakh? 5. So write 5 dashes. After this 61,000. So fill those 2 boxes and left only 3 because in 61,000 we have 3 zeros. And after this we have 48. So 48 means tens and ones. So we have to left the hundreds place value and write directly 48 here, and this is your numeral. Write the number names for the following numerals. So this is, first we have to count ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 12 thousands, 600, 80. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 7. In crore we have 7 zeros. So 3 crore, 3 crore. Next we have 27,000. And 280. You can take a reference from your above section because right now these are too long words we have. So you can take a reference from it and then try to solve your exercise and write the number names of rest of the parts you have. Now place value chart. So we already know about the place value chart we having and we learn about this. The place value chart extends to the left roof with the extension of digits in numeral. To read numerals conveniently, we group places into periods. So these are the groups: ones, thousands and lakhs. So in this, in ones we have ones, tens, 100. In thousands we have 1,000 and 10,000. In lakhs we have lakh and 10 lakh. So how we read it? 10 lakh. So 92 lakh 59,386. So in that way we can read this. Now 90 lakh to 90, 9, 10 lakh, 2 lakh, 5,000, 9,386. Okay. Reading our numeral. Arrange each numeral in place value chart and write the number name. So this is our ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So how can we read this? 25,387. 25,387. You can write it simply. Now writing a numeral. So this is your numeral. So how can you write it? 25,937. So after 25,000, we have to put a comma here. Okay. And then you can also leave a space. So 25,937. If you have another value which is 8 lakh. So 8 lakh after 72,002. It means in thousand, lakh and crore we have to use commas. Name the places in thousands periods. Name the places in ones period. So in 1000 periods we have 1000 and 10,000. In ones place we have 100, tens and ones. Write the period name for 36 in 20. So we have to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can say 25 lakh 36,288. So what is the place? What is the period for 36? This is 1000, 10,000. Okay. So you can do the next one your own. Now rewrite each numeral using commas. So this is your 75,219. So how can you write it? 75,000, comma 219. In this also we are doing this. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means 5, 1,90,276. So you can do this, the two parts, and try to do it yourself. Rewrite each numeral separating the period. So now we have what we have to do. We have to separate the periods. The first period we have 1, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So 90,000, then 7,000, then 600, then 90 and then 5. You can also use the plus sign between them. Simply you have to repeat the same manner for rest three parts you have. Now we have face value and place value. In a numeral, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. So if I'm asked what is the place value of 2, so 2 is the place value of 2. 7 having the place value of 7. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 6 is 6. Now, the place value of a digit changes according to its position in the number. Place values depend upon their position in the number. For example, place value of a digit, face value of the digit, x value of the place. It means find the place value of every digit in the number of 62, 6,25,947. So, first we identify 6. So, 6 face value is first 7. 7 face value is 7 and place value is 1. 4 face value is 4 and place value is 10. 9 face value is 9 and 100 is this. So by this you can easily calculate your face and place value. The place value of 0 is always 0. Well done. Write the place value of 7 in each of the following in numbers so you can easily identify. This is 7 lakhs, this is 7 tens and this is 10 lakhs means 7 lakh. Now expanded notion. We write 12,753 in expanded notation as follows. 12 multiplied by 1000, 7 multiplied by 100, 5 multiplied by 10, 3 multiplied by 1. So this is your expanded form to form. Okay. After this, predecessor and successor, we already learnt about this in our previous classes, that adding one more number, it's called successor, and subtracting one number from a particular number, it's your predecessor. The number which comes just before a given number is called predecessor, and after a given number, it's called its successor. So predecessor, this, so the given number is 1 lakh, predecessor is 5 times 9 and successor is 1 lakh 1. One more than the given number is successor and one less than the given number is predecessor. Now we have skip counting, which we already learnt in our smaller classes. So he 6 and 8. Two number are skipped. So after 8 we have 60, then 62, then 64. So simply we can do this as well. Next exercise is this exercise 2C. Write the place value of each digit of the given number. So in this, what is the write the place value of each digit of the number. So first 7, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So the place value is lakh. Then 6, 10,000. Then 5,000. Then 200, 9 tens and 8 ones. So in same manner you have to complete the next table you have. Write the place value and face value of the underlined digit in the following. So this is your 10,000. 10,000 is the place value and 8 is the face value. We already know that face value is the same number itself. Write the numerals. So this is your number. We have to write the numeral. So we have 7 10,000. So 7 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this we have 4,000. So 4. Then 800. Then 3. So this is your numeral. 74,830. Always keep in your mind, in your 10,000 we have 4 blanks. So we write 4 blanks first, then 4,000 we have 3 blanks, and then 8, 2 and 3 only 1. This question, 5 lakhs, 2 10,000, 6,000, 0, 100 and 1 10, 0, 1. So 5 lakhs. So if we write 5, how many blanks should be there in 5 lakhs? Well done. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this we have 2 10,000. So 20,000, that means so 20, then 6,000, 6. After this we have 0, 100, so 0, then 1 and 0. So this is your numeral. So you have to do the rest 2 parts your own. Write the numbers in short form. 2 multiplied by 10,000 is 20,000. Plus 1 is 25,200. Sorry, 700. 721. 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 1. This is your answer, 25721. So students, now these 3 parts you have to do it yourself. Give a try. Okay. Write the numbers in expanded form. So how can we write in expanded form? 5,000 plus 200 plus 8 plus 0. Okay. Next, do it yourself, the rest 3 parts you have. Write the successor of the following numbers. You can do this very easy, and predecessor is also easy. So this is very easy. You can do it yourself, and I already explained this in your above section. Next, we have ordering of numbers. So in previous classes, we have learned to compare 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit number. We follow the same rule here. So we can do this. So if you have 2 numbers, 8,75,986 and 8,75,895. So 875 is same, 875 is same, 9 and 8. So which one is bigger? 9 is bigger. So we choose this. So in same way, the same method we have to use here. And after, if we know how to compare it, so we simply arrange it in ascending and descending order as well. So now compare the numbers and fill the greater and smaller sign. So 253 and 253, and obviously it has more number of digits. So this one is greater. 3684, 3684, 5 and 0. Which one is big? 5. So this. Now arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Students, try these all parts which I left over in above section. So do it yourself. Okay. Now in this we have to arrange it. Ascending, smaller one is this. Then second we have this. Third, and this is fourth. As simple as that. Descending order is the vice versa. So you can do it yourself. Now international place value chart. In the international place value chart, we have periods of ones, thousands and millions. So first we have ones, in which ones, tens, 100. In thousand we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and millions we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. So now here all the periods have 3 places each. We put a comma after each period. All the digits in the same period are read together. So in ones, thousand and millions, ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. So for this, rewrite the following numbers, rewrite the following numerals in the international place value chart. So we have to write this number into international place value chart. So ones, tens, 100, 10,000, oh sorry, 100, 10, 100, 10, 10, 10, 100, 100,000. Okay, 10,000 and 100,000 we have. Next we have next number ones, tens, 100, 10, 100, 1,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So in same way you can represent it. So we have to rewrite these numbers. So this is your numeral. So what is this? This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this is 6,977,857. In this way you have to read this. Next we have this number. So how you have to represent this? Again, this is 29,072,7,201.36. This is the way to read this. This your 29 million. This is 29,720,136. This is 7,067,650,356. Now we have comparison of place value charts. So this is our place value chart. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. तो अब हम back to Indian place value chart पर हैं. Next we have the international place value chart where we have ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? 100,000 are there. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs and 10 million is equal to 1 crore. So how many lakhs in 1 million? 10 lakhs. Now we have our exercise 2E. Write the following numbers in figures. 1 million, 560. So first we write 1 million, wait, 9 million, 562,946. So this is your way. Now 78,000, 78,980. 78,980. Next move to, so now students you can write your own. So just give a try to it and do it yourself. Rewrite the numerals with commas at proper place using the international place value chart. So this is ones, tens, 100. Then 78. So this is 53,000,855,035. So first we have to arrange it. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So this is 5,37,8,150. So in same way you have to do this, the rest parts you have. Now we have to write the number names according to the international place value chart. Again, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. 20, 500, 8,000, 8,690. Next, write the numerals for the following 4,062,100. So we write for the 17,200,000. So first write 17 million, After this, we have to add commas. 17,215,849. So this is your amount. Okay. Express the following numerals in Indian as well as international place value system using commas at proper places. So students, now you can do it yourself, because till now we are doing so many questions related to our place value chart, Indian and international. Now forming the numbers, forming the smallest number with the given numbers. If you want to make your smallest given numbers with the given numbers, so arrange it in ascending order. And if you want to make a greatest number, then arrange it in the descending order. For example, given digits are there, so if we arrange it in 1057, which is ascending, so it will be your smallest number, and if you arrange it in descending order, then it will be converted into your greatest number. So this is your next exercise. Write all the numbers that can be formed by 437. So 3, 4, 7, 7, 4, 3 and 7, 3, 4. Then we have 4, 3, 7, 4, 7, 3. Okay. These are the numbers. You can make all numbers with the help of these digits. So same you have to do with the now you have to form the numbers with the digits 501, then 3016, and now you have to make the smallest number with this. So how can you make 1 0? Always make sure your 0 never be your first digit. It's always between the numbers. Then 3 6. This is your smallest number. Now you have to make a smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers with the help of these numbers. So number will be 30469. This is the smallest, and 96430. This is the greatest. So now you have to make a smallest and greatest 6-digit number, and these are your digits, so you can do it yourself. Now your worksheet. Now in this worksheet you have to do your exercise question, but now you have the combination of different exercise questions we cover till now. So you have to do this. After this, you have your maths lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab. After this, your chapter it ends here. I hope so students you understood this chapter very well. So students, keep learning. Bye bye. Have a good day.